this is the alarm system. There's the float switch. As soon as the float switch is lifted, there's an alarm. 64 inches, that's to the bottom of the cleanout pipe. So the alarm switch is going to sit at about 45 inches, which is pretty close to 75% of the capacity of the tank. Okay, alarm's in. So I've got the float switch out, and I'm just going to flip it upside down, and there it is, and that is it. So drop that back in, here. Got a grommet there to hold it in place, and there it is, sitting at the about the 75% mark in the tank.